How to add new suppliers into Xero. So first of all, you can log into your Xero account in which you want to add a new supplier, and head over to the contact section and click on suppliers right there. And if you open the section, if you want to add new supplier, you can click on the new contact, and you can add the contact name of the supplier right there, their account number. If you have any kind of banking details, you can update the financial details. They have a bank account number, routing number, bank number. If you have any kind of a reference when you're sending payment to your supplier, you can add that there. And if you have any kind of tax number for the supplier, like federal tax ID in the case of the United States, or in the case of the United Kingdom, you might have some kind of information regarding their UTR number for your supplier, so you can add that there. So you can add the federal classification, is it an LLC, is it a C corporation, or simple company or individual. You can add that information, or if you want to add multiple currency, you can also say add the currencies there. So if you want to add the addresses, add the billing address or the delivery address for the supplier. And in the contact details, if you want to add more information such as where they live, what is their phone number, etc., and their website, notes, and all other things you can add up in there. Also, when you are recording transactions related to your supplier, you can add up the default accounts related to the supplier. So it will be, in this case, will be purchase defaults. So let's say all the things which I purchase from a supplier, they should be included into cost of sales. Or if they are subcategory related to that supplier, then cost of sales products, let's say. So we can add that account into there, and whenever we will going to add the supplier name into our when we will add an expense there, then this account will start it to appear. Okay, so that's it for this video. You can add a new supplier by using a save and close. And if you want to see all the existing supply, you can, when you will head over to the suppliers tab right there, you can just scroll down and see all the suppliers which we are currently having. And if you want to edit those supplier, you can see how much you owe those supplier and how much they owe, if in this case if there are some kind of advance payment you have done to them. So click on three dots right there and click on edit if you want to edit any kind of information. Again, you can edit their name, contact details, financial details, defaults, purchase defaults, each and everything right in front of you. So that's how you can edit the supply information into Xero accounting software. And if you have any kind of question, you can head over to the description and book a free consultation call with me. See you in the next video.